how to insert a tick or a checkbox in Microsoft Word on your Mac computer. So there's a couple of different ways how to do this. The first is to go into Insert here at the very top, then come to Advanced Symbols, and you want to search for the fonts here, Wingdings, and then you should be able to find the tick here. Then you should be able to press Insert to insert the tick. Now, that isn't perfect because it's not a checkbox type of tick. So let's get rid of that. And what you want to press, Command, Shift and the spacebar. This will bring up the character box. You want to press this button here next to the search box. This will bring up the character viewer in a larger format. Then you want to search for tick here in the top search box. And there should be many options in the bottom right hand corner or in the main window here. So as you can see here, this tick, you can press it, gives you a few extra options here, then you can double click it to add it to your Word document. So that's two different ways how to insert a tick or a checkbox in Microsoft Word on your Mac computer. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.